The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Phoenix, Arizona, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Things outside and animals will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
This is KPNX 16 on serving all of Arizona. We have some breaking news. The Palo Verde nuclear power plant has suffered major damage. We recommend that if the plant meltdowns that you seek shelter. With other news.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Phoenix, Arizona, until 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 o'clock, Doppler radar indicated that the thunderstorm is producing heavy rain across the area. The rainfall rate is 5 to 5 inches. Flash flooding and ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar impact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams on urban areas, highway, streets, and underpasses, as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tucson. Flagstaff locations near lakes will experience localized flash flooding as streams overflow their banks. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially conscious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Transmitted at the request of Federal Emergency Management Agency and the United States Nuclear Regulatory Commission. This is not a test. At 6:50 p.m. local daylight time, one of reactors of the Palo Verde nuclear power plant had a meltdown. And this event is ongoing as this broadcast is being transmitted. It is recommended that you stockpile